Saturday morning, we already run into our first problem. They sent the wrong panels. Now I'm going to have to make a freaking phone call and probably drive all the way back down to the goddamn city again.
Oh, frig. Wait, Dad, how are we going to get out of here?
What y'all doing? This is the Red Sands Redneck back up here in the borough again. I put that video on the phone there yesterday. Buddy phones me up yesterday, says, "Holy Jesus, bud, that was pretty funny. You should put that stuff on YouTube." He says, "You could go viral." I said, "Well, frig, the young lad was viral yesterday and he fucking got puke on his pillow and shit on the carpet. Not sure what I think about that." It's only funny because it's true. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can catch episode 3. And that should be out in a day or so.
Not another squirrel.
Not a girl. Clean him up and put him with the rest of them. We'll have that for supper tomorrow night.
Yep.